Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. It has been a while. I have not made video, but now I'm back. I thank you to all my subscribers that are always coming to watch my video, and the new subscribers, you are welcome. Today I'm going to be baking pancake. So I have some eggs here, eight medium eggs. I have some granulated sugar, about 30 grams. I have butter, and I have 1 liter of milk. I have 500 grams of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to start by mixing all the eggs. I will break them. I will mix it together. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I've finished breaking the eggs. I'm going to whisk them together. Then I will put my sugar. I'm using 30 grams of sugar because the kids are still going to use brown sugar to put it on top when they are eating, when I finish baking. You can add baking powder, but it's optional. I don't normally use baking powder. So I'm going to be pouring the milk little by little. Okay, I'm going to melt the butter in the microwave, then I'm going to pour it inside. Okay? Okay, guys, I've melted the butter and I've poured it inside. You can still substitute your butter for vegetable oil like sunflower oil or groundnut oil. So you can use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay, so we are going to be mixing our flour now. We will be pouring it little by little. Then you mix. You mix. Just continue mixing. Make sure there is no much lump. Lose everything. Okay, guys, I've finished mixing the flour. You see, there's no lump. So we are going to allow it to rest for 1 hour before we start baking. Okay. Hello, guys. It has been 1 hour. So we are going to start baking the pancake now. So I've heated my pan. You can see it. I've heated it. So I'm going to be putting a little bit of butter. And I'm allowing it to melt. I can still add a little because this is the first one. Yeah. Okay, we are going to mix now and stir frying, you just take 1 spoon like this, then you pour it. This one is automatic now. I don't need to shake it. You see the shape is formed. If you want it bigger, you can add a little to it. Me, I normally use just 1 spoon, and it's okay. Yeah, it will bake on each side 2 minutes on one side and 2 minutes on the other side. And see the way it's baking now. It will rise up a little bit. So then later we will be turning it. It's 2 minutes now. We are going to be turning. Oh, perfect. Perfect. You press it down like this so that everything will be okay. It will done. We are going to be checking the other side now if it is okay. You see it? Very much okay. So we'll be keeping it aside. And you put butter again on the pan. Inside the pan, I need to say. Try to spread it. Then you turn. 1 spoon. We distribute evenly. Okay, it is 2 minutes and we are going to be turning. Oh, you see how beautiful it is? Then you press. It is going to rise up. You just press it down to enable all the edges to be baked. Press it down. Press it down. For another 2 minutes, you will allow it to bake. So that is how we are going to continue to bake. When I remove it, I will put butter. Then I will bake just like that. After 2 minutes, I turn continuously. Okay, guys, that is what we are going to be doing. You press it, you press it. See, it's flat now. You press it, you press it. The whole edges press them flat. You see that? Flat, eh? Guys, we've come to the end of the video. I'm going to be frying the last one now. So I put my butter already. I'm just trying to spread it across. Yeah. This is the last one. We are going to be baking 2 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other side. Yeah. These ones are the ones I've baked already. See how beautiful they are. You can enjoy it with ice cream. You can enjoy it with sugar. You can enjoy it with syrup. Okay. Any syrup of your choice, you can just put it on top. Okay, guys, we've come to the end of the video. So I'm going to be eating mine now with this sugar, brown sugar. So I'm going to be taking a little bit like this. It's just okay for me because I don't like too much sugar. And I'm just going to spread it just like that. And I'm going to be folding it the way I like it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you watched to this stage, thank you very much for watching. Please like my video, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Bye.